Let's say I have a video of me singing a song, lip syncing a song, right? So I posted on my Reels, I posted on my TikTok, I posted everywhere. And let's say TikTok all of a sudden went up and I got a few thousand views. My next question would be, did it convert into streams? Do people stream my song? If I see uptick on the streams, I'm going to keep doing this type of content. If I don't see it, then I'm just going to try to move on and try to do something else and be like, hey, so this thing did not work at all and it did not resonate with people at all. So what am I going to do now is I'm going to say, all right, let me try to do clip from the music video. Let me cut it out and post it up and see what's up, what's going to do. And if I see all of a sudden spike on streams, be like, oh, that's dope. Okay, cool, that worked. That works. So I can amplify on this. And I've seen a lot of cases actually recently. I had one artist, right? We promoted her song probably like 2-3 years ago. And the song, when we stopped promoting, the song went down a little bit and just completely flattened out. So right now she's doing about like 50,000-60,000 streams a day and it just goes flat. But when she started posting Reels, one of her Reels went viral. And she went all of a sudden from 50,000, she went to like 150,000 a day. And this spike was caused by the Reels alone, because she also posted on TikTok and she also posted on YouTube. So she called me up and said, hey, can you analyze my data? Can you take a look at what actually going on and what's driving it? And I did analysis on this. And although TikTok got a lot of views, YouTube got a lot of views, but Instagram, that's what drove it. So what my suggestion was to her is just amplify this and continue doing very similar content on Instagram. And right now, I think the record's sitting in about 250,000 a day, and it just continues to go up. And the reason for this is because she posted something that connected, and then she amplified on this. So with the content, I would say experiment. Always try different things. Always try to experiment as much as possible. And this is how you're going to be able to find what actually works for you.